What's the origin of the boats?
The boat?
Yeah.
The bamboo.
Avoid taxes from the French?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I read in National Geographic like 5 minutes before we came, and also on Colin and Meg's Instagram, that they think the origins of these boats are that when the French were here, they levied a steep tax on boats, and so to avoid that, they built baskets that just happened to float. You calling for monkeys? No. You want to try? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
I'm calling for monkeys.
I thought you were going to do one of your video plugs.
Oh, by the way, we have a really great video of when we went to see monkeys in the mangroves in Thailand. Check it out.
Do.
Oh, dude.
This is Do. This is Tran's mom. Do. Pete has decided to give it a go. This is maybe the best $2 we've ever spent, or a complete disaster.
What you call a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Because I'm not ever doing that ever again. It's that good, I'm already reliving the footage.
Airbnb gave us a GoPro, and typically one has a GoPro because they do like adventure sports. I think that's the first time in 10 months that the footage looks like remotely close to what you're supposed to use a GoPro for.
When I started, my shirt was buttoned up.
Oh!
What's that?
Where do we go?
Where are we going? We are going back there. We're going back to where we came from.
No, you do.
Yes, we are.
Yeah,
Where are you going?
we're going to over there.
No, we're going over there.
We're going to over there.
No, we're going over there. No, we're going over there.
Big old crab. Whoa, I don't want that in our boat. I don't want that in our boat.
Oh, hey. Hey? Hey?
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay, wow.
We need 2 more for dinner.
How many more for dinner?
2 more.
What is fishing rod?
What is?
1, 2,
Ready?
3, yeah!
Wow! Spin it around! Wow!
What is it, you dizzy?
Right? It's...
Do it again, do it again.
Oh, I can't see straight. Oh, Pete wasn't exaggerating. That makes you dizzy. We did it for like 5 seconds.
Did you enjoy that? This is a must-do activity here in Hoi An. It's so much fun.
And before I came, I didn't know like how casual it was. You could easily just stroll down here and get in any boat and have an awesome time. But I'm really glad I emailed Tran because she was a lot of fun, and her mother was also really fun. I'll put her website down below. We didn't get this for free or anything. It literally was just happenstance, and she's just lovely and charming. And what I love about her, she WhatsApped me every day since I told her my dates in Hoi An. I was like, when are you coming? When are you coming? And then our shuttle arrived at 5:02, but I missed a call from 4:59 saying, where are you? I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. So she made it really easy. Best way to end a basketball tour is with a cold coconut. Now it's time for dinner at this beautiful, beautiful place called The Field, which is in a field or rice paddy on the river. Continuing with the theme, this is where Pete stole a basket boat a few weeks ago. I think that will conclude this basket boat video.
Back to the original place where I stole the basket boat.
That's like the third time in this video. I thought you were gonna do your spiel.
What's my spiel?
Do you like this video? Like it?
Oh, if you like this video, and I hope you did, because we had a blast. Give this video a like, leave us a comment, subscribe, follow along.
And if you're in Hoi An, look up TRAN at 10 basketball tours.
Hello, I am Tang. So that's one here in the basketball in the tour coconut bowl. Yeah, and if you want some many people that come here, call me some team basketball tour and doing the bamboo bowl or 2 people for 1 bowl and 1 curtain together or 3 people. And so that's when we are come out there. We are trying the fishing man and do dancing a rowboat and do fishing, crab catching in the palm. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.